In an era where the mirrorless camera market is flooded with rapid technological evolution, frequent spec wars, and compromise-driven designs, Fujifilm continues to chart its own course. The company's philosophy is distinct: prioritize the photographer's experience as much as raw technical performance. While many manufacturers chase megapixels or feature checklists, Fujifilm has steadily refined its X-Series to offer a holistic shooting experience defined by tactile controls, unmistakable color science, and tools that inspire intentional image making. The Fujifilm X-T6 embodies this philosophy. It is not merely a marginal update to the X-T5 but a thoughtfully crafted evolution, designed to modernize performance while preserving the signature character that has earned the series a dedicated following. The X-T line has long occupied the core of Fujifilm's APS-C system, bridging the gap between enthusiast and professional tools. Cameras like the X-T3, X-T4, and X-T5 garnered widespread acclaim for delivering professional-grade performance in compact, purpose-built bodies that felt like instruments for photography rather than repurposed video machines. With the Fujifilm X-T6, expectations rise even higher. This model is expected to appeal to a wide spectrum of users, from working professionals who demand reliability and consistency, to advanced enthusiasts seeking creative flexibility without sacrificing usability. In essence, the X-T6 is designed to be a true hybrid system, capable of excelling in still photography while simultaneously meeting the modern demands of high-quality video production. At first glance, the Fujifilm X-T6 remains immediately recognizable as part of the X-T family. Fujifilm wisely retains the retro-inspired aesthetic that has defined the line for years. The silhouette, top-plate dials, and overall body proportions remain familiar, giving longtime users an instant sense of continuity. Yet, a closer look reveals subtle refinements throughout the design. The edges are more sculpted, the grip is slightly deeper and ergonomically enhanced, and the overall balance appears optimized for long shooting sessions. Whether paired with compact prime lenses or heavier professional zooms, the X-T6 promises a secure, comfortable handling experience even during extended fieldwork. One of the defining hallmarks of the X-T6 is its tactile control scheme. Dedicated dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation remain at the forefront of the design, offering direct, intuitive control over core shooting parameters. These mechanical dials are more than stylistic callbacks, they are practical tools that allow photographers to work deliberately and efficiently. On the X-T6, rumors suggest these controls feature refined resistance and more precise feedback, reinforcing the sense of the camera as a professional instrument rather than a consumer device. Additional command dials and customizable buttons further enhance flexibility, allowing users to tailor the camera's interface to their preferred workflow. Build quality has always been a strong point for Fujifilm, and the X-T6 is expected to push this even further. The camera likely features a magnesium alloy chassis, combining strength and durability without excessive weight. Enhanced weather sealing promises reliable operation in challenging conditions, whether rain, dust, or cold environments. This durability makes the X-T6 particularly attractive to landscape photographers, travel shooters, and documentary creators who need equipment they can trust under unpredictable circumstances. The combination of ruggedness, ergonomics, and thoughtful design demonstrates Fujifilm's commitment to building cameras that perform in real-world conditions, not just in controlled studio environments. At the core of the Fujifilm X-T6 lies a rumored imaging pipeline that may represent the most substantial leap in image quality for the X-Series to date. Early reports indicate the camera could feature a new generation X-Trans CMOS sensor, offering higher resolution, improved light gathering efficiency, and expanded dynamic range. These upgrades aim to deliver exceptional detail while preserving the signature Fujifilm aesthetic. The unique X-Trans color filter array continues to mitigate moire and false color without the need for optical low-pass filters, giving the X-T6 an advantage over conventional Bayer sensors. Paired with a more powerful image processor, this sensor is expected to provide faster overall performance, from startup times to menu navigation, and smoother, more responsive operation. High-resolution files should retain excellent post-processing flexibility, with strong shadow recovery and pleasing highlight roll-off, even at higher ISO settings. Noise management is anticipated to be particularly effective, ensuring consistent image quality across a wide range of lighting conditions. Color science is another area where the X-T6 may shine. Fujifilm's film simulations have long been a hallmark of the brand, offering photographers creative, analog-inspired looks straight out of the camera. On the X-T6, these simulations are expected to benefit from improved processing algorithms, resulting in more nuanced tonal transitions, consistent rendering, and natural skin tones. Greens and blues maintain depth without appearing oversaturated, while subtle adjustments in shadow and highlight areas ensure that images remain visually pleasing. These capabilities make the X-T6 particularly appealing to photographers who value strong JPEG output as well as those who prefer to work in RAW, providing maximum flexibility for a range of creative workflows. Fine-grained customization and control over contrast, saturation, and sharpness mean that photographers can imprint a personal style directly into their images, streamlining post-processing for those who rely on out-of-camera results. Autofocus performance has historically been an area of scrutiny for Fujifilm, especially when compared to competitors like Sony and Canon. However, the X-T6 promises substantial improvements. Faster processing and updated algorithms are rumored to enable more accurate subject detection and tracking. Enhanced face and eye detection is likely, along with expanded recognition for animals, birds, and vehicles. These improvements increase the camera's versatility for genres ranging from wildlife and sports to events and street photography. Continuous autofocus performance is expected to be more reliable, allowing the camera to maintain focus on erratic, fast-moving subjects with greater consistency. Combined with higher burst rates, photographers should be able to capture decisive moments with confidence, while improved low-light autofocus ensures precision in dimly lit or challenging shooting conditions. Video performance is another area where the X-T6 may make meaningful strides. While earlier X-T models offered respectable video capabilities, the X-T6 seems poised to embrace its role as a true hybrid camera fully. Leaks suggest support for high-resolution recording, potentially reaching 6K or even 8K, putting the camera in line with other modern hybrid systems. Full sensor readout and improved codec support should allow for sharp, detailed footage with minimal rolling shutter artifacts. Upgraded in-body image stabilization further enhances video quality, reducing reliance on external rigs and enabling smoother handheld footage. With refined autofocus tracking for video, the X-T6 promises to be a practical, reliable tool for solo filmmakers, vloggers, and documentary creators. Fujifilm's film simulations extend to video, allowing creators to achieve cinematic looks straight out of the camera without extensive post-production grading. In conclusion, the Fujifilm X-T6 stands as a testament to the brand's dedication to purposeful evolution. With its enhanced imaging pipeline, refined ergonomics, advanced autofocus, versatile video capabilities, and rugged yet stylish design, the X-T6 represents a next-generation tool for photographers and videographers alike. It promises to honor the legacy of the X-Series while pushing boundaries, delivering performance, and encouraging creative intent. In a landscape dominated by incremental changes and feature-heavy marketing, the Fujifilm X-T6 demonstrates that meaningful innovation lies in balancing modern performance with a rich, deliberate photographic experience. For professionals, enthusiasts, and hybrid creators seeking a versatile, reliable, and inspiring mirrorless system, the X-T6 offers a compelling vision of what a thoughtfully designed APS-C camera can achieve.